उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या 45 जवानांनी मुंबईच्या स्पेशल रेस्क्यू ट्रेनिंग अकॅडमीच्या अंतर्गत ट्रेनिंग घेतला। आता ही ट्रेनिंग पोलीस होमगार्डांकय दितले। ह्या उपक्रमांक गोयच्या आपत्कालीन मॅनेजमेंटा अंतर्गत फंडिंग जाता अशी माहिती उजो पालोवपी दळाचे मुखेली अशोक मेनन हांणी दिल्या। हार्डेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
Who is internationally recognized and court qualified in swift water and dynamic ice subject matter expert for the last 40 years. And considering the risk in Goa in water related incidents, around 40 fire personnel have been trained in swift water flood rescue by SRTA, that is Special Rescue Training Academy, Mumbai. And these 40 people are also a part of the State Disaster Response Force of the Fire and Emergency Services component. And we have also been told to train the police, home guard and civil defense also. So we will be doing that from November 1st. Our boys have been trained in CBRN, chemical, biological, nuclear and radiological. The first batch was trained and another 30 will be trained in due course of time. They also trained in urban search and rescue and medical first responder course as well. So this is what the details I wanted to share with you. We will be having a practical session at the Shorao jetty. So we will actually, our boys are there. You can see the equipments which we have bought, and this is all done by the government under the State Disaster Response Fund. Government has been funding for such to upgrade our preparedness level, and we have the best of equipments.